Hello everybody, in this video I'll explain what is Adobe and what are its products and what is Adobe XD. So before discussing what is Adobe XD, let us know what is Adobe. What is that company? What does it do? So Adobe is basically a company which releases software creativity development products. So what are these products? These are just software application which you can use. So what are the functionalities of these application products? So these products will help us create better in whatever field you are in. For example, if you're creating some graphics, it will help you. For example, Adobe Illustrator, which is this Adobe Illustrator, will help you design SVG, logos, background images. This will help you do this, Adobe Illustrator. And Adobe After Effects, this will allow you to do motion graphics and visual effects. So this is Adobe After Effects. And Adobe Premiere Pro will help you do video editing. So Adobe Premiere Pro will help you edit videos. So what is Adobe XD? And before discussing this, I wanted to share a small story. So once when YouTube started or even Facebook started, their websites looked like trash at starting. Slowly through the years, the website evolved. So just like that, how it evolved, the design changed over the years. So how did the design change? The developers changed the design, but how did the developers get in mind of the design? So they don't just sit near the laptop and just code the design. So first they'll visualize the design and they'll draw or illustrate that design onto his or her computer. And after illustrating that design, they will decide whether that is good or not. If it is good, then they will code that design. Else, they will not code that design and they'll make a new design. So the software where you design websites is Adobe XD. This is one of the website, which is not website, sorry about that. It is a software application, a PC application. So Adobe XD is an application. So even Figma, which is over here, is also an application, and Adobe XD is also an application. So let us talk about Adobe's history. So at start, which was Adobe Illustrator, they released it 1987, which was not quite a success, but Adobe Photoshop was quite a success. So Adobe Photoshop is a widely used software application for photo editing. And after that, After Effects, which was released in 1992, it was used for motion graphics, which was also very good. And after that, Premiere Pro, and after that, not Illustrator, it was at the start, and slowly Adobe evolved. So that is how Adobe XD was released in 14th March 2016. So we are going to design websites in Adobe XD. I am planning to make a few videos on Adobe XD. That is why I am making this video on what is Adobe XD and what is the history of Adobe. So let us open Adobe XD. Adobe XD. I will make a separate video on how to install Adobe XD as well. Adobe XD is free, but there are some limitations that there are only 100 fonts or 50 to 100 fonts, but in the paid version of Adobe XD you'll get 1000 fonts, but all the features remain the same. But almost every app of Adobe, such as Premiere Pro, After Effects, they're all paid, $20 per monthly subscription. But Adobe XD is not paid and it is free for a limited use. So as you can see, this is the home page of Adobe XD. Now if I want to create a new project, I can click on Web 1920, which is 1920 into 1080 pixels. If I click on this, it will open a new project for me. So as you can see, this is an empty document. So this is where you can design stuff. So how do people design? So for example, there's a Google developer and he wants to develop the Google design. So how does he develop? For example, if he wants to add a circle, he'll add a circle like this. So he doesn't want to add a circle. He wants to create a rectangle over the web page and make it colorful. For example, he wants to fill it with a linear gradient. So let's change the direction of the linear gradient, which is, the direction literally means you can change the polarities of the gradient. You can zoom in, zoom out, and after that you can choose whatever color you want over here, and over here you can choose whatever color you want, even white. Even that looks good. So this is how you design websites. So you got a nice background color, and inside this, if you want to add a circle, you can add a circle just like this. And this is how you design websites. For example, you can keep it over here and this will be cropped. So this is Adobe XD, and I will be making some videos, and as we hit 73 subscribers, you can see it right here, as we hit 73 subscribers, I'm making something special for you. So this is all about Adobe XD, and I will meet you in the next one.